Welcome back to the Daily Doge. We're doing Dogecoin and Bitcoin technical analysis. Elliott Wave principle, Elliott Wave theory specifically. And let's get right into it. Thank you for watching. I have some good videos coming out. We are live today and I've been doing Daily Doge. There's a playlist. We're looking at the 1 minute chart, but I'm going to back out of it and look at a longer time frame because I want to see the big picture. The other day live, I was explaining something in some kind of trading psychology, and I was drawing these hilarious faces. Let me delete them now because they're distracting. All right. And if you're tuning in, let me see where you're from in the comments, or just say hello. And thank you if you're watching in the replay as well. You can ask questions and I'll answer them later. All right, so I had some waves drawn on here. If you want to see that, it was in a previous video. All right. So this is what I thought was going to happen then. This might still happen at some point. Let me get it out of the way. Also, now is a good time to say, trade at your own risk. I don't necessarily recommend trading during a correction or trading crypto at all. Just because I'm doing it doesn't mean you should do it. That being said, I am doing it, and people ask me for more videos, so here they are. But that doesn't mean you should make a decision solely based on someone else's technical analysis. You should learn how to do it yourself, in my opinion. And I am making a trading course for beginners, if you're interested. It's almost done, actually. And I'm just talking while I gaze at this pattern, because these sideways actions are extremely obnoxious. All these overlapping waves, overlapping as in they keep going up and down around the same price over and over. If we were in an impulsive wave, we would see 5 clear, crisp waves going up or going down. But right now it's just sideways action, making some kind of triangle looking shape. Again, let's see. Well, this is a better looking triangle than I had drawn before if you were watching previous videos. So this is not that uncommon. It's just going sideways, which is, I know everyone that's trading hates it. There are some tiny little swings here and there, but it's not that fun trading them in this bear market. So eventually, I think we're probably going to eventually break out of it one way or another. I mean, it can't go very much longer to that point. And it's going to either come down a little bit more and then make another wave up, is what I thought before. Some kind of wave up. And actually now I wish I wouldn't have deleted it. But you can just rewind and see where I had it. It'll be somewhat similar. Nothing much has changed actually, just more sideways action going on. So something like this is what might happen. We'll see. It's been pretty accurate so far, but when it's during a correction, it's not really a good idea to trade because there's a bunch of just overlapping waves, and corrections, it could be a double correction or a triple correction, and just be correction, 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 which I know nobody wants to hear that. I'm not saying that that's definitely what's going to happen, but until I see 5 waves up, instead of what I've been seeing is just 3 waves repeating. There were 3 waves right there. So let me know what you think in the comments. We might go back up to 36-ish. And if it does do this, anything like this, I would personally probably look for a chance to take some profit up there. And the way I would look at it would be on the RSI up here. I would want it to do something like this. Okay, I'll be right back. All right. If you're watching live, thank you for sticking. I had to get up and make sure that nothing was burning down. All is clear. So, if it goes down more, I wouldn't be surprised. However, it's been going sideways, sideways. I think that was the middle wave, something like this. And let me change the color of that so we can see it. Some kind of wave, 1, 2, 3. And what we would be looking for up there would be more like that. You want to see a pattern where, no, that's not perfect. Let me draw it again. You want to see some kind of pattern like that, kind of, where the RSI is trending downwards and when the price is doing something like this. So right here at the top, if the price is up and the RSI is down at the same time, it would have to be lined up on here. Then that would be, for me personally, that would be a buy signal, but I'm not telling you what to do because I'm not a licensed financial advisor. All right, well, that's a lot of shapes and almost like an anarchy symbol right here. Now that I'm looking at it, there's kind of like a face. So let me know if that makes sense in the comments. What do you think? And I think that's it for this one. So I will be doing more of these around 5 p.m. Eastern. Let me know if there's a better time. Since I just started doing them live, I don't want to commit to a time until I have a schedule that works well. So for now, I'm doing them around 5 p.m. And I'm going to try to do, I'm doing 3 days a week. I've been doing more like 5 days a week. So there should be 3 to 5 videos a week on the channel. So if you're subscribed, make sure to hit the bell icon, because when I go live, you'll get a notification. And make sure to drop a comment and share this if you're in some kind of relevant group, either a crypto trading group or a Doge trading group or Bitcoin group. So before I go, I'm going to do the Bitcoin technical analysis right here and now. If this will click, I don't know why it's not clicking. Is my browser frozen? Well, that's random. Technical difficulty. What's happening here? That is not what I clicked on. Also, if you want to see any other crypto or stocks or indexes or anything that you can chart, then let me know in the comments the symbol and what it is, and I'll do the technical analysis in the video. Oh, someone asked me for one more, actually. So after Bitcoin, I'll do that one too. All right. What do we have here? Other than slow moving lag. It was doing so well, and now it's suddenly lag. I supposedly have amazing internet that's so fast, but yeah, right. I'll believe it when I see it. So far, I think they're full of it. But that's another rant for another time. Right now, let me zoom out to the weekly or the monthly. And if it's all stretched out like that on TradingView, you can just double click in the price. Oh, what do we have here? This looks like I was doing some kind of technical analysis video. Maybe during my new course. Okay, well, whatever I have drawn here doesn't look like it's going to happen. Because this A and B is that's not happening. Just going to delete this and take a fresh look at it. So it looks like I charted this out probably in another video. It's gone 1, 2, 3, and then just sideways. Brutal. So I had charted this out with subwaves of 3, 1, 2, 3. And actually, those aren't ABCs. Those are W, X, Y. Okay. Just fixing my previous count. All right, so we've got 3 waves coming down, 3 waves going back up, and 3 waves coming down, which makes a 3-wave, go figure. And then it's just going sideways, which is extremely difficult to count because it's just overlapping itself. But it might be something like that might happen. Well, if this comes back up to that white line, which is moving average, something like this might happen. I think it's going to go down more then after that, but I know no one wants me to say that, but it's going to go down again after this. What is that line down there? What is this? I have a line drawn down there. 19,000. Is that the previous high from 2017? Probably. So that's probably what I was expecting it to come down to. If it comes down to 20,000 again, I personally would be interested. I'm not telling anyone else what to do, but that I think is my buy zone I had drawn at some point in a video. So if it drops down here, maybe I'll set an alert so that the only reason I'm doing this now is because someone asked me in the comments. So if you want to see anything specific, let me know in the comments, and I will get on it probably in the next video or soon. Let's see. So if it drops below this price, I want to extend this alert as long into the future as I can, because sometimes my alerts disappear. Crossing. Yeah, if it crosses it at all, I guess, for now. Okay, I'm going to save that alert. And actually, an alert on the RSI would be even more useful. And I'm on the daily chart right now. Now I'm going to double click on this alert because I don't like how the alerts just... So I'm going to have this cross down and every time. And also I'm going to extend this into the future. Okay. And I think I have a whole module. I talk about setting alerts in the course that I just made. It's not published yet, but that is coming out soon if you're interested. A couple people expressed interest, thank you. And if you want to test it out before it's officially published, then reach out to me. There's a link at the bottom of the description. All right, well, I think it's going to make some kind of shape like this because it's just been going sideways. And this time frame might not happen. This might take forever. I was just eyeballing it to show a general shape. But this sideways action could go on until we're all absolutely bored out of our mind. But it came down to 28. If I was looking at it then, I would have probably got a little bit. Maybe I even did. Just a little, though, if I did at all. And but if it drops down closer to 20, I would be more interested. But I'm not personally hodling Bitcoin just for information's sake, because what am I going to do with it on a thumb drive? To me, I'd rather hold something long-term, like something physical, but call me old-fashioned in that way. But that's not going to stop me from doing the technical analysis and swing trading. So trade at your own risk, as always. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if not, I will see you in the next video, which will be probably live. I do have another video that is coming out that I already uploaded, and that will be coming out very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day on purpose. Peace.